Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Peace be upon from me to the seeing eyes, hearing ears, and beating hearts. If you want the pass computer test in the first try, so must watch the full video, and I am working for you. So it's your job only to watch the full video and share the video to all friends, because I see many people in Saudi Arabia, everyone worried about the Dallah Driving School computer test. So I make the mission is to save you from failing the computer test. If you don't understand the English language, don't worry bro, I have already made video in Urdu language, so visit my channel and watch the Urdu language video. I request subscribe my channel. So without wasting time, let's start the next video. Question number 101. When should the safety distance be increased to more than 2 seconds? So option A is correct: in poor road condition, wet road or sandy road. So option A is correct. Question number 102. How do you check if you are keeping a safe distance of 2 seconds? So option C is correct. Count 1001, 1002 when the vehicle in front of you passes a reference point. Question number 103. What is the wrong statement? Driver should reduce speed when? So option D is correct. Driving on the highway. Question 104. Why do you have to slow down when approaching a pedestrian crossing? So option A is correct. I have to slow down to watch for pedestrian. If there are passes by who want to cross, I have to be able to stop. So option A is correct. Question 105. What is the wrong statement? Driver should reduce speed when? Correct. So option C is correct. There are not many vehicles ahead. Question 106. What is the wrong statement? So option C is correct. Every time you have to hit the brake hard to slow down. Question 107. Why should you reduce speed on slippery road? What is the wrong statement? This question is very important, so please keep in the mind question and answer many times to come in Dallah Driving School. This question is come. So option D is correct. On slippery road condition, the engine may overheat. Question 108. Drive at a safe speed and pay attention to the following. So option D is correct. All of the above. Question 109. When is overtaking prohibited? This question is also very important. So option D is correct. All of the above. Question 110. If your vehicle breaks down, what is the wrong statement? So option B is correct. Place a warning sign on the front of the vehicle and leave it in place. So option B is correct. Question 111. You are driving on a two-way road, but there is a broken down vehicle in your lane. What you do? This question is very important. Many times to come in the Dallah Driving School. So please keep in the mind question and answer. So option A is correct. I am assessing the situation. If it is possible to pass safely, I pass the vehicle after meet the requirement of Asslam rules. So option A is correct. Question 112. You are driving on a two-way road, but there is an broken down vehicle in your lane. What are you doing before overtaking that vehicle? So option D is correct. All of the above. Question 113. In the event of passing a fixed vehicle, you must comply with the following. So option C is correct. Check the inside mirror, check the left outside mirror, signal to the left, check your blind spot over your left shoulder, control your speed vehicle smoothly. So option C is correct. Question 114. What do consider if you are on a narrow two-way road with parked vehicle on both sides? So option D is correct. All of the above. Question 115. What is the correct side for overtaking a vehicle traveling in the same direction? So option D is correct. It is normal, forbidden to overtake another vehicle on the same road. Question 116. when is overtaking allowed on the right side? So option B is correct. When the vehicle in front of you is turning left. Question 117. When is overtaking allowed on the right side? So option D is correct. When the road has more than two lanes in one direction or one way. So option D is correct. Question 118. What is the wrong statement if another vehicle overtakes you? So option A is correct. You must speed increase. This statement is wrong, but option A is correct. Question 119. If another faster vehicle tries to overtake your vehicle, what should you do? So option C is correct. Drive on the far right side of the road. Question 120. If a group of vehicle overtake you must. So option B is correct. Reduce speed. Question 121. Overtaking is permitted. This question is very important. So many times to come in Dallah Driving School. So please keep in the mind question and answer. So option B is correct. On a one-way, two-lane straight road. So option B is correct. Question 122. Overtaking is prohibited. This question is also very important. So option D is correct. All of the above. Question 123. Overtaking is prohibited. So option A is correct. At question 123, overtaking is prohibited. So option A is correct. At intersection, railway path and pedestrian crossing. This question is also very important. Question 124, overtaking is prohibited. So option B is correct. In front of hill tops or bridge. So guys, all overtaking question is very important. So please keep in the mind question and answer. Question 125. Overtaking is prohibited. So option D is correct. All of the above. Question 126. Overtaking is permitted. So option A is correct. When there are separate lines, guidelines between lanes. So guys, thank you so much my video watching and also visit my channel.